up, Pulu, that shit.
Alright, let's get into this. Alright, so for the first thing we got for this beat were these chords that I got out of Hive. And this is what I got right here for it. And what I'll do, because you can hear a lot of the EQ in there. So then after that, what I did was I went into Arcade right here, and I added these little vocal chops into it. So I got it from Distant Voices, and this is kind of what you get right here. I thought I gave it like a pretty cool texture to the beat. So when you put both of those sounds together, it's kind of what you get right here. So I thought it sounded pretty dope like that. So what I did was kind of wanted to give it more, get more like what's that word? Get more harmonic with it. So it's kind of what I added these strings right here, and I think I got these out of Prudy right here, and it's kind of what I got right here. How did that come from? So then when you put those three sounds together is what you get right here. So then after that, what I did was I made a bass line for the beat, and actually I don't have the full version of FL, so what I have to do is go to Morphine, and go to bass, and I believe it was handmade FG. That's what you get right here for the bass line. Nothing too crazy with the bass line, but when everything's together, it's how it sounds right here. Alright, so then after that, for like the hook, what I did was I added this little whistle, West Coast whistle, as you guys should know, what should always be in a West Coast beat. So this is what I got right here for it, and I got this out of Zebralet. Nothing too crazy. So then when you get those, kind of how it sounds all together right here. Alright, so after that, what we did was I went into Hive and I was actually trying to find some keys, but I had no luck trying to put it into this beat. I couldn't really find a good melody for the keys, so I actually started going through Hive into different sounds, and this is what I got. Kind of gave me like that old school G-funk type of sounds with the synth leads, kind of, or one of those, the little WAPs type look sounding things, but this is what I got right here for it. Pretty funky type melody right there. So when you put those with the other tracks or other melodies, what you get right here. And then the last melody we did add into this were keys that I got out of Omnisphere. Okay, yeah. And it's the Ambient space piano. And it's just to give it some background on this little piece that cuts off from the hook. So this is kind of what it sounds like right here. By itself. Let me play it by itself real quick. So then that's how it sounds. This is how it sounds right here when you put the melodies together. Alright, so now I'm gonna take you guys into the drums. They're not too crazy, you know. When I do my drums, I like them more laid back, especially because I have a lot of more melodies in this song. So I try not doing too much with the drums. So this is what you get right here. I'll play them all together and then I'll let you guys hear them by themselves, and I'll tell you what I threw in there. So right here is the kick and drums. Like I said, all I have right here is just some open hats, a kick and a clap for this. So after that, what we did was we added these little perks, and it's just one little bell. After that, we threw in the hi-hats. That's the kick. Hi-hats right here. And then I'll add in the bass line so you can hear it with something. So it's pretty dope drum pattern right there, nothing too crazy. Especially when you throw in all the melodies with it, just takes it to a whole nother level. Alright fam, so I appreciate you guys for sticking with me through the end of this. Like, comment who you guys want to see next. Comment who you guys think this type of beat is for. It was kind of really hard to decide what kind of type of beat this was, I'm not gonna lie. But appreciate you guys for sticking through. Subscribe to the page if you guys are new. And yeah, let's check out this beat. Alright fam, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get the